Alright, so, what is up, guys? And, I'm starting a new YouTube channel. This is my YouTube channel on my dad's phone. So, what we're mostly going to be doing is, like, fidget trading stuff. And we're going to be doing, like, other stuff like that. So, let's get straight into the video. I'm gonna grab some of my fidgets. My dad has his fidgets in his room, so he won't need to. We're gonna grab like blue fidgets mostly. So like my Pop 2. We have to grab every blue fidget. So like most likely everything blue. This is kind of blue, right? I don't know. It's green, kind of, but blue a little bit. Alright, we're going to get this one. That's a blue fidget. I'm going to get this mini Poppet. This one. That's blue. This is also kind of blue. So I'm going to put that in our pile. And this, I kind of want to trade this, so we're going to trade it. Actually, I'm just going to go for all my mini Poppets, by the way. So, now, oh wait, no, I forgot. My dad doesn't have his fidgets anymore, so, oh wait. No, I think he does, but yeah, I think he does. So, I'm going to be fidget trading with my dad. But, well, I have to kind of go see if he wants to, because sometimes he doesn't want it. So, I'm gonna not count these, the ones that don't have blue in them. They have to be like completely blue. Or if it's like mostly blue and has a little other color, doesn't matter. Like this infinity cube, it's like mostly blue, it just has some yellow. So we are going to be, I'm gonna go ask my dad really quick if he wants to go fidget trade. And if he does, that's going to be awesome because we need to fidget trade. I really want to fidget trade with him. Alright, I'm going to go ask my dad if he wants to fidget trade. Alright, I'll be right back. And he has his fidgets in his room, so, yeah. Alright guys, so my dad said yes. We're gonna take the fidgets in my room. Sorry, I mean his room, why my room? So we gotta grab the fidgets. I'm gonna grab, we're gonna be on our way. So in case you didn't know, this is real fidget trading. Oh Lord, I just dropped my infinity cube. Alright, so he has green fidgets. So, yeah. Okay, I'm putting these in my pockets. They're really annoying. Alright, let's go. My infinity cube is in my pocket. Alright, so my dad's over here. I'm not going to show his face because...
Are we trading?
Yeah, we're going to trade. Okay, so these are my dad's fidgets. And these are my fidgets. This is kind of green, but it's blue, sort of. In person, it looks more blue than green. All right, so what will you trade for this mini puppet?
How about this one?
This marble mash.
Mm-hmm.
If you add in your mochi, I'll accept.
Okay.
All right, that's a deal.
Did I win?
Oh my God, he's so silly. All right, what do you have for this super good pop tube?
I'll trade you this.
I'll take away this, and then I'll add in this. No, take away this, and then I'll take away this, and then I'll put this. I just declined the trade, so we're gonna. He put this puppet. You think that's worth it? Yeah, I think it's worth it.
Alright.
Alright, so I'm gonna trade this puppet. It's a really good puppet.
I'll trade you this one.
No! Add! If you take this away and then add this, I will accept. So, if you take this away.
I'm really into unicorns, though.
Hey, just trade it!
But what? Like this is a forced trade. I don't want to. I don't decline.
Ugh! So annoying! Alright, so this is my inventory. I have 3 fidgets. And then this is my dad's inventory. Lot. Okay, so you're gonna put something in now.
What'd you give me for that?
Oh my. This puppet is really good actually. So I will give you this puppet and this pop tube. Add?
Mm-hmm.
No! Decline! Give me my stuff back.
Okay.
What will you trade me for this marble mash?
I'll give you just this spring ring.
It's not a spring ring. Yeah, I'll accept it.
All right.
All right. You put in something. Where is it? I don't remember that. What will you trade?
I'll put the hand back on.
Oh
See what kind
no!
of better deal you can
I
get
forgot
on
I
that.
had this in my pocket. I have an
Oh,
infinity
imagine that.
cube. I'll trade you. I love this magnetic ring, so I'm not gonna trade this, by the way. So, I'll trade you this unicorn puppet.
Mm-hmm.
Are you serious? This guy's a scammer. No. What will you trade me for this pop tube?
Just a little squishy.
Add. That's a deal. No, stop. All right, what will you trade for this infinity cube? Ooh. He's trading that for this. All right, that's a deal. Yes, guys, we got another one of my papas back. Well, I kind of want different fidgets though, so. By the way, this doesn't really count, so this is my dad, so I'm going to give it to him. Alright, so I'm going to give you this magnetic ring because it's green, and we didn't trade it yet. So, I'm going to trade you this mochi. It's turtle mochi. What would you trade for that? Alright, that's a deal. What will you trade? Oh, wait, no, you can go now. Trade something. This again? Guys, he hates this fidget. He always trades it. I'll trade you these 2 poppets. Will you accept for these 2 poppets? For 1 poppet? Oh, guys, he accepted. What the heck did he do? What? Okay, well, that was unfair trade, but okay, I don't care. Alright, you put something in again, because I don't want to put anything in. Alright, whatever. He's trading these 2 fidgets. Why did he put this on? Yep, I put it off. So he's trading these 2 fidgets. Alright, so I'll trade you this mini poppet. And? Are you serious? This is so rigged, bro. Alright, declined. Alright, guys, so that will be the end of the video. I'm going to show you our fidgets and what we have left. So we have this pop tube, this poppet, this marble mash, this unicorn poppet, and this mini poppet. My dad has this turtle and this I don't know what it's called. I can't remember what it's called, but he has these 2. And the mochis, that's what it is, but I can't remember what that is. This is a unicorn poppet, my infinity cube, and my hexagon poppet. Alright, so that will be the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoy it. It was a really long video to do the start. As I said, hope you guys enjoy. Bye. We will be doing more fidget trading videos and with other people like that. So yeah, bye.